This is my 92 Honda Civic. Ripping wiring harnesses out, replacing them with a factory one, putting it back together and driving it. This abandoned Honda Civic sat for 3.5 years. All it needed was a fuel pump and a fuel filter. And today we're gonna put it back together and drive it out those doors.
We do not care.
That was so inspirational. Be like Whistling Diesel 1000 and put your caption in your bio. Clickbait every time.
Like he said, my goal is to be inspirational. Life is like a box of chocolates. Kick rocks. Gotta clean out all the trash from the previous owner. Insert picture of previous owner right here. Oh, what a very handsome previous owner.
It said reliable drift car and then sends me a video of a Mustang. That looked expensive.
If you can't tell already, I don't know what I'm doing. I just filmed that last section in cinematic. So I'm gonna go back to cinematic because I thought it was blurry. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. Anybody need plastics for an EG Civic? I got some. Not broken, nothing. That was mint condition. All right, while the phone was charging off camera, I did went ahead and replaced all this harness in the tailgate and all the harness up there. You kind of saw on the time lapse me putting the harness in up there. So I did all this harness, nice pigtails, thanks to Rune 4-banger. And I ran this harness all the way back there. Now, I am not 100% sure if am I supposed to be able to stick my screwdriver through the floor. Yeah, we're just gonna cover it up. Brand new car.
Idiot.
Oh.
Dang it.
Got the rear seats installed here. Everything's kind of dirty. I'll wipe it down when I'm done. But it's looking good. Come together. It's becoming a car again. I am only switching motors around so I can run the factory 92 harness on the engine. And I can run my tuned, hopefully that still works. So I can run my tuned ECUs and not these weird boxy cube things. And that this ECU will go with that motor, and then that ECU will go with this motor. And this motor and this combo will go in the Integra. Wow, I just found a Pokemon card. This thing's gotta be from like 2004. With this being my first YouTube video, I know I post on Instagram, Facebook, sometimes on TikTok. Hopefully I did a good job on the first video. So if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Everything. I got the harness in, the dash in. I'm missing a bunch of dash brackets. I gotta go look around and see if I can find it. But I think that's all. I'm about to go out of town for the weekend. So I think that's it for this video. And stay tuned for part 2.